Hey, are you looking for an honest review of Digital Boss Academy? Or maybe you're already involved in Digital Boss Academy and you're trying to get better results. You're trying to build and grow the opportunity, and you're maybe wondering, well, what should I actually do to actually make money online? Well, this is going to be an honest review of what Digital Boss Academy is and how you can actually get more results online. So let's get into it. Uh, Digital Boss Academy was created by a woman named Brooklyn, and she created it to help people to build and grow their business online, as far as having products that are already done for you to be able to resell. So this is a reselling program. So all the opportunities and all the things that she gives you ideas on is going to give you ideas on how to resell stuff to make money with it, right? So it's kind of like a white label kind of thing. So you're basically buying the opportunity to resell whatever they have in here, right? And this kind of goes all over the place as far as what to actually do. So there's all different kinds of things in here, right? So it's very scattered as far as this goes. So there's anything from properties to job shipping to Facebook stuff to taxes. There's all kinds of different things um, on here. eBay, and she says you can make, you can make, $60,000 in 3 months. But the reality of it is, most people who sign up for this aren't going to make $60,000 in 3 months. You're going to have your very few people that actually are able to do that because they don't know the marketing skills. So while this opportunity gives you a lot of good ideas about what to market online, it doesn't really teach you the marketing skill sets that you're going to need to be able to get results with this, so it'll give you the ideas of what to actually do, but it doesn't show you how to do the marketing that you need to get the results, right? So um, in this video, she talks about that, and she doesn't have a disclaimer in her video, right? And so I don't really like that too much. I think it's kind of hypey because it gives people the idea that they can make thousands of dollars without doing any work. And that's just not the reality of it. If you're watching this video and you're somebody who's been trying to build on business, you know that it takes time, you know that it takes work and everything like that. While you can make money and you can have good results very, very quickly, you have to know the skill sets to be able to do that. If you don't put in the work and you don't know the skill sets, and you're not going to get the results. And this is kind of hypey. So, what I always try to show people is the importance of building your own brand. So if you look at my page, I have a banner. I'm branded on Facebook. And when you're able to use social media to be able to build your brand, so if you take a concept from the Digital Boss Academy and you're like, okay, well, which strategies do I want to be able to use to build whatever the opportunity is? Um, you want to use social media, right? So you have Facebook and YouTube, which are my favorite platforms. On Facebook, people know who you are. They can build know, like, and trust factor with you. You could build know, like, and trust factor with them. You build a relationship over time using social media, right? And then they get onto your email list. And being able to build your email list is going to be very, very important because that's going to be your customers. That's going to be the way that you follow up with your customers. As you can see right here, I got 12,000 followers and I have about 5,000 friends almost. So you build your own brand first, and then you're able to create your own products. So you can actually create your own products, and you don't need to depend on other people to have products for you. Because if you're using their same products, you're not branding yourself. You're branding whatever the opportunity is. And if you're doing private label rights or a white label, those are one-time commissions. So the goal for you is to be able to build residual income. So to be able to build residual income, you need to have your own pages, your own stuff that you offer people. and it needs to be branded to you. So with this is the page that I have, and you could get to this page by clicking on the link below this video, and it will take you to this page. You could find out how I help people to go from confusion to clarity, from strategy to sales, and guesswork to growth, right? So, that's what I actually show people. And with this funnel builder tool right here, you can build out whatever you want to online. And the cool thing about it is my web guy that actually builds out my pages and stuff for me actually has a template section in here that, if you are branding yourself, or you are having a store, you can have your store in here, and you could take these pages. This is a links page right here. Here's an example of how nice these pages are. So this could go to any kind of opportunity on social media, and you want to take these buttons to a capture page to be able to capture name, email, and contact information, right? So that's just one example of it, and you can have different kinds of things. You could sell your own products. So you could have your products down here like this, and have it like that. So if people want to know information about it, you can create your own stuff, and everything is very, very nice and beautiful right here. So this is the key thing. And then your sales videos would be on something like this, and then you can use that to be able to build your business, right? So there's some very nice pages in here, and you can use them for any kind of opportunity you want. And this builder is really, really cool because I could go and navigate in here. So I could go and navigate between people's funnels as well. So if I'm working with somebody, or I'm working with a client, I could go back here and I could manage people's funnels. So you see, I could go in here and go into people's funnels that I'm working with, and I can help them with whatever. And you see, it's all very easy to use. It's all clickable, and you could go in there and edit whatever you want to. I'm not going to edit anything in Booker's funnel because this is his funnel, but you could easily go in there and you could easily use it. And I have a traffic store that I actually sell email traffic in. This is only one of my income streams right here. And I mean, as you can see right here, this is an e-commerce style store. You could go to your contacts. So here's everybody who's bought something from me. And then, you can go and you could easily, navigate it, and then they could buy, products from you. So you can have your store in here and use that just like that. And it's really cool because whatever you need help with, if you work with me, I could easily help you to manage. And you see, I've made a little bit over $60,000 just with this traffic store alone. I've had 44,000 visitors to this store. So it tells you all your stats right here as well. So if we go back here, it shows you what people have bought and everything like that, what packages. So if you want to create your own business, having your own pages, having your own membership, having your own things, this is definitely really, really good for you. And we show you how to do this stuff. So this funnel builder tool is only $25 per month. You get a $20 per month in residual income. Residual income is going to be very powerful for you because that means when you make a sale once, the money keeps coming in over and over again. As long as they have the tools, you're able to make a residual income. As to where if you're selling private label rights or products that are already created for you, you're getting a one-time commission, and you might not make another commission for another 2 months, 3 months, whatever the case is. But with this, it's residual income. So we show you different kinds of things: how to set up your funnel, how to get it all set up, how to get your domain, how to get a business domain, how to set it up and link it to your funnel, how to do your setup and get that all together. Then we show you how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create multiple funnels, how to create a hero page, which is a branded page to you, how to keep your links to you, how to share your funnels with people that are working with you, how to do an exit pop, so that means people won't exit your page, they'll get a pop-up, how to create your own products, how to get a discount with Zoom, how to do upsells and downsells, how to do membership sites. So we show you how to do all this stuff within this builder, and it's very, very easy to use. And then whenever people have their builder set up, the next thing is how do you get traffic. So right here we show you all about traffic. This is premium, so we have every single traffic strategy that you could possibly think of. You get 2 weeks free of this when you get the funnel builder tool, and you're able to get 2 weeks free. And we show you different kinds of things. Like we show you how to get traffic, what you do before you get traffic, and then how you get traffic. Right here is how to launch your business, how to follow up with people, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to get video leads, how to do YouTube ranking, right? So there's all different kinds of strategies in here. Podcasting, how to do a secret podcast, which basically means you host it on your site and you can have people on there. There's all kinds of different things. How to blog in your business, every kind of traffic strategy you could possibly think of is in here. And the thing that makes us different than anything else is we have daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom Monday through Friday. So we show people how to write emails that serve and sell. We show people how to create video content. We show people how to rank that video content. We show people how to connect with people on social media platforms like Facebook, and how to actually make sales that way. So if you're more of a hands-on kind of learner, this is going to be for you, because a lot of times people have questions, and the courses and stuff are fine, but you want to be able to learn hands-on, right? So this is the hands-on coaching that you can actually get. So when you get the funnel builder tool for $25, you get the hands-on coaching 2 weeks free. And then we have a goal setting app right here that helps you to stay on track. And that's very important when you're building and growing your business. So it takes you through a daily routine, and you can create your goals right here, and you can track your habit every single day. And when you accomplish it, it makes a noise. And if you're in fitness, there's a nutrition tracker right here. So this takes you through a daily routine of which you'll do every single day. This is $10 per month. You get an $8 per month in residual income. So with the funnel builder tool and the goal setting app, you're making $20 from this and $8 from that. So you're making 80% commissions in residual income. And then you get the 2 weeks of coaching with that, right? So this is going to show you the skill sets that you need to be able to make money online. So if you're ready to actually get results in business, make sure you go and you click on that page to be able to come down and go to that page. And here's another course that I'm creating. So you could create your own courses and your own products. If you're ready to do that, then just click on the link below this video, and you'll be taken to that page to learn how to actually build and grow it online. And I'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, make sure you leave your questions below this video. I also have a Facebook group. You could get into the Facebook group as well. There's going to be a link below this video for that. And you can also reach out to me on Facebook as well. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.